There's a difference between lying and deceit. Alam mo, yung mga Kristiyano, they don't lie, but they are master at deception. Hindi na sila magsisinungaling, but they would do things na iikutin niya pag-iisip mo. Gaslighting. Yeah? There was this guy sa movie na chine-change siya yung light, yung gas, kasi gas lamp sa panahon nila, at linuloko niya asawa niya. Sabi niya, ba't nagbabago yung ilaw? Ba't nagbabago yan? Sabi, hindi, it's just your imagination. And there are people that are like that, no? Parang iniikot ka, binubola ka, hindi mo nakita yan. May mga bagay na kailangan may tago, private to. If you're intentionally, strategically, no, binabago yung pag-iisip ng tao, it's called deception. For example, I mean, I have nothing against network marketing, but there are network marketing na they would give you the impression na lahat dito yumayaman. Ay, meron yung mayaman, no? I mean, there's no problem with that na i-testify mo, sabihin mo, yumaman kasi they've worked hard. Pero one in ilang tao, di ba? Kailangan real. Sabi ni James sa akin, sa prophetic, nakakuha siya na nito, magtawa siya. Dati, nakakuha ako ng name, pero puro, may sablay, no? Shell ba? Hindi. Michelle. Ano ba ganun, no? Malapit na. Pero just recently, nakita ko yung Jonah, si Jonah. Sa imagination ko si Jonah. Sabi ko, pangalan mo Jonah. Jonah yung pangalan niya. So tuwang-tuwa ako. So pinost ko yun. Tapos nakalagay doon talaga, this is my first time nakakuha talaga ako ng pangalan na talaga swak yung pangalan, no? I don't want people to have this impression na yung prophetic ko, hindi ako nagkakamali. I don't want people to have an impression na lahat na pinag-pray ko gumagaling. Diba? Sunod-sunod po, meron akong pinost about deafness na gumagaling. Tapos nag-post ako na ilang beses kong pinag-pray bago gumaling. I have to be real. I don't want to create a facade.